If your YouTube videos have been getting little to no views, what I'm about to share with you must change that. Over the years, I've been helping creators, I've been working with different creators, and what I'm about to share with you, it is exactly that has been working for the creators that went viral, the creators that got views, the creators that improved in engagement in a very short time. So if you're tired of getting low views on YouTube, just watch this video from the beginning up to the very end and follow everything step by step. Let's get started. Now, whenever we talk about getting more views here on YouTube, whenever we talk about going viral on YouTube, whenever we talk about engagement here on YouTube, it definitely means that we are talking about the YouTube algorithm. Whatever video you see here on YouTube, videos with millions of views, videos with thousands of views, it is the YouTube algorithm that recommended that video to every viewer that viewed that video. So whenever we are talking about getting more views, whenever we are talking about getting more engagement, we are literally talking about the YouTube algorithm. And that's exactly what we should look at. This entire strategy deals with the YouTube algorithm. And to be specific, this is how this strategy deals with the YouTube algorithm. Just like anything that was made by human, let's say computers, vehicles, lights, anything that was made by human, they have what is called loose ends. And the YouTube algorithm itself has loose ends. When I say loose ends, this is a way that you can use to penetrate into something and control it or use it to get something. So I'm going to show you how you can use the loose ends of the YouTube algorithm to make the YouTube algorithm recommend your videos to the right viewers that are interested in your content. Once you apply this strategy on YouTube channel, do not share your YouTube videos. Do not share anything about your YouTube channel. Don't tell anyone about your YouTube channel, because if you do it, you're going to confuse the YouTube algorithm and the strategy might not work for you. Now we go to the next step, and this is the most interesting part. Let's say you have a video to upload on your YouTube channel. Let's take an example like your YouTube channel is Ben Did It, or the YouTube channel that you're uploading videos currently is Ben Did It. Before you upload your next video, this is what you need to do. You're going to go ahead and get 5 or 4 extra YouTube channels. I'm not saying that you have to upload videos on those channels. Get 4 or 5 extra YouTube channels. Maybe you have other channels on your devices, maybe you have other channels on your phone, on your computer, or even you can create new channels. 4 or 5, though I recommend 5 channels, but 4 can also work perfectly. After getting 4 channels or 5 channels, what you're gonna do is to upload a video on your main channel. I said let's take an example, as your main channel is this channel that you're watching, Ben Did It. So you're going to upload that video on your main channel, Ben Did It. And after uploading that video on your main channel, publish that video to public, go to your main channel, Ben Did It, watch that video. Let's say that video is 8 minutes. Watch that video from the first minute to the 4th minute. Now, once you watch that video to the 4th minute, which is the midst of that video, go ahead and comment on that video. Comment anything that is interesting depending on the vibe of the video, depending on the topic of the video. So let's say you comment something like subscribe for more, something that will actually keep engagement in your comments. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Now, after commenting that, go ahead and pin that comment in the comment section of that particular video. After pinning the comment, go ahead and like the video, engage around with the video as a real viewer. As that video is playing, actually, you watch the video from the beginning up to the midst of it, you comment, you pin the comment, you like the video, and you leave the video playing up to the end of it. Now, after doing that, wait for your new video to make 3 hours on your channel. Now, once your video spends 3 hours on your channel, what you're going to do is to switch around to the other channels that I spoke about, the 5 or 4 channels that I spoke about. Switch around, watch that video from the beginning up to the midst of it, comment, like, do it just like a real viewer, a viewer who likes your content. Do it using the dummy channels. I actually call them dummy channels, the 5 channels I spoke about. So you're going to watch that video from the beginning up to the midst of it. We said the video is 8 minutes. This is just an example. Watch the video from the 1st minute up the 4th minute, like the video, comment under the video, and engage just positively as a viewer who loves that content. Leave the video to play up to the very end. After that video is done playing, switch to the other account and do the same thing up to the 5th account. Now, once you're done doing that, don't watch again your video. Leave it for the algorithm to read those signals. What you're gonna do is to wait until you upload your next upload, and you're gonna do that on your next upload. And now, I recommend while applying this strategy on your YouTube channel, you upload at least 3 videos per week. And I'm talking about long videos, okay? Upload at least 3 videos per week while applying this strategy on your YouTube channel. And now you may ask me, for how long are you going to apply this this strategy on your YouTube channel. I recommend applying this strategy on your YouTube channel for a month for the best results. Once you begin that strategy today, by the end of 30 days, I promise you, you should be having a video that has at least 50,000 views. Now, that's not the end of this strategy. You need to also take this importantly. Before you begin doing whatever I've said, this is the first thing that you should do. First of all, while creating and organizing your dummy channels or the channels that you use to watch your main videos, go ahead and look for creators that create the same content as you do. And these creators should be successful creators in your niche. Let's say you're into cooking niche. Go ahead and look for channels that are into cooking niche, the big channels that have millions of subscribers, thousands of subscribers, channels that are getting thousands of views and millions of views. Go to those channels and subscribe to those channels using your dummy account. You can subscribe up to 5 channels per dummy account. Now, once you're done doing that, the second thing you should do is to go ahead and look for what is going viral in your niche. Let's say you're into cooking niche, as I said earlier before. Go ahead and look for what is going viral in the cooking niche and create videos about that particular topic that is going viral in the cooking niche. Now, while looking for those videos, you definitely need to go to YouTube and look for those videos. So what you're going to do, you should not log into your main channel while looking for those videos, but log into these dummy accounts while looking for those topics, watching those videos. And when you're doing it, make sure you comment on those videos using your dummy account, but not your main account. The reason to why you're doing this, you're building a history in your dummy accounts. And I'm gonna tell you why that is very, very important while applying this cheat code or while applying this strategy. The only reason and the main reason you're doing that, it is because you're building a watch history for your dummy accounts. Remember, the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos, it depends on the characters of your viewers, of your daily viewers. So these dummy channels that you're using to watch your videos whenever you upload your videos, these are your daily viewers. Remember, these dummy accounts, they have subscribed to your channel, and whenever you upload a video 3 hours after uploading your video, you use these dummy accounts to watch your videos. So the algorithm is going to consider those dummy accounts of you as your real viewers. So you need to make sure that these dummy accounts are watching other related content to your content, which is you're watching those content while looking for viral topics that are going viral in your niche. So it definitely means that you're training the YouTube algorithm to know that you have 5 viewers that always watch your videos whenever you upload. But those 5 viewers, they don't just watch your videos, but they also interact with other big creators who are in the same niche with you that are getting views. So what the YouTube algorithm is going to do, the algorithm is going to begin trying to recommend your videos to the viewers of those big creators apart from your 5 channels. This is how the algorithm works. And if you try out exactly what I'm trying to say here, it's gonna work for you. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Check out this video if you're still struggling with getting your first 1,000 subscribers. In this video, I show how you can get your first 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours. And yes, it is working for people. It is working for new creators. So check out this video if you're still struggling with getting subscribers here on YouTube. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.